Now we're going to show you how to change the colors of the crosshairs as well as change the pixel size and the font size of the diameters that are shown in measurement sequences. So at first you'll notice with this measurement tool, which since we have measure depressed, we can right click again and hold down the measurement menu. Now you'll notice that the crosshairs are red on one side and red in the center. If you wanted the outside crosshairs to be blue or a different color, you can do that. And the way you do that is you come down here to the wireframe where you calibrated and you click on that menu. At this point you come to the Set Colors button. So when you choose Set Colors, a menu is going to pop up that shows you what these defaults are set to. So crosshair marker number 1 is red, number 2 is red, and the text is currently red. So this is also the text size, which relates to this text that's displayed here, as well as if you paste the text on the image, and the line width of the crosshair. So sometimes you might want the crosshair to be thicker or thinner based on your part and the magnification you're working with. So let's just change crosshair marker number 1 from red to blue. So we will click on Set Color, and then we will click on the blue palette, or whichever palette we want. Say OK. And now if I say OK to that measurement, you will notice that crosshair number 1, which in this case is the center of this particular measurement tool, is now blue. So I can change that. If I wanted the inner circle to be red and the outer lines to be blue, I could again go down to the bottom and go to Set Colors. And I would change crosshair marker number 1 to red and say OK. And change crosshair marker number 2, which is the outer lines of this particular tool, to blue and say OK. And I might want this text here to be a different color as well. So I might want the text to be blue. And I can say OK. I might want my lines to be, I might want my text to be larger. So in this case it's 11. We can go up to a font size of 28 or larger. So we'll say OK for 28, and we will choose the line width to, instead of 2 pixels wide, to be 3 pixels wide. So we say OK, and you'll notice now that the text has changed to blue. It's a larger font. The outer lines are now blue, and the inner line is red. So that's very useful if you want to set a go, no-go type scenario on your image, because you are working with the live image, that you can have this tool have certain colors associated with it. So you can move that by grabbing it in the middle and placing it where you want, and your outer lines are blue, your inner lines are red. And if I take that measurement here and I want to paste that on the image, as we discussed in the measurement video, we can right click and we come down to Screen Print Measurement, and the dimension will be printed at the location that we've called up that menu. So you can see that the measurement is displayed there.